Hey garden friends, ready to turn up the volume in your garden? Then meet the showstoppers of the Provenwinners lineup, RockStar, PopStar and Flair. They are bold, brilliant and born to perform. These colorful plants are bred for maximum flower power with minimum effort. Let's start with RockStar, and yes, it lines up to the name. The variety explodes with enormous amounts of huge flowers over a wonderful sun yellow color. It shows a compact growth and loves full sun or partial shade, tolerating also heat and tough conditions. RockStar is the lead singer in any flower combination. It's bold, vibrant and impossible to ignore. Then we have PopStar, the crowd favorite. PopStar is compact, equally floriferous and perfect for small containers, borders or balcony boxes. With its well-balanced shape and vibrant tones, PopStar brings rhythm and style to every space. And then we've got Flair, the stylish backup dancer that brings refined elegance and steady bloom all season long. Flair is a high-performance basket variety with nicely formed flowers and a well-balanced habit. She is all about versatility, thriving in mixed plantings or solo as a bright modern design. Now let's sum up why gardeners love RockStar, PopStar and Flair. 1. Because they are flowering abundantly in this stunning bright yellow and this non-stop from spring until frost, having a great long-distance effect. 2. Because they show excellent heat and weather tolerance. And 3. They are very low maintenance but yet high impact. Whether you plant one or combine all three, these stars guarantee a garden that shines with color, energy and personality. And of course, they are backed by the proven winner promise: performance, beauty and reliability. Which one of these floral icons is your personal favorite? Tell us in the comments and please share your photos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more garden inspiration, and let your plants do the performing. Bye everyone, see you next!